In this example, we're given f of x as this graph here. It's kind of L shape. One of the first things I would do here is record the points. So this far left point is -6, 4. This point in the middle is -2, -4. And this point on the right is 4, 0. So we're going to use transformations to graph the following. I'm going to start by stating what the transformations are that are occurring. And remember, the order is important. We're first going to do horizontal, and then we'll do vertical. So the x minus 4 inside the function tells me it's horizontal and it's inverse. So I'm going to shift right 4. And then the minus 5 is outside, so it's vertical. And it's going to be down 5. So when I shift this graph, I'm going to take those points, -6, 4, -2, 4, -2, -4, and then 4, 0. And we're going to shift them right and down. Okay, so when I shift right 4, that's only going to affect my x value. So -6, when I move right 4, I'm really adding 4 to my x's, so I get a -2. Think about if I start at -6, move to the right 4, you're at -2. Okay, -2, shift that right 4, I'm at a +2. And then 4, if I shift that right 4, I'm at 8. Okay, now we're going to shift down 5. So my y values, if I move down 5, I'm subtracting 5. So from 4, I go down to -1. -4, I'll move down to -9. And 0, down 5, so -5. If you need to do this on the actual graph, just by counting your points, that's fine too. So our final graph, we'll graph these 3 points. So -2, -1, 2, 9, 2, -9, and then 8, -5. And it should look very similar to the starting graph, just shifted right 4, down 5. So it should still be congruent, remember, same size, same shape. Now let's look at B. We're going to do our horizontal. The +2 tells me I'm moving left 2. And then the -1, we're moving down 1. So starting with those same points, -6, 4, -2, -4, and 4, 0. Let's shift those. Okay, so to move left 2, so we're starting at -6, moving at left 2. Notice we get to -8. Okay, starting at -2, if I shift left 2, I get to -4. Okay, and then if I'm at 4 and I shift left 2, I end up at a +2. Okay, now we'll shift down 1. So if my y value is starting at 4 and I shift down 1, I'm now at 3. if I'm starting at -4, and I shift down 1, I'm at -5. And then if I'm starting at 0 and shifting down 1, I'm at -1. Okay, so we'll graph our new transformation points. So -8, 3, -4, -5, and 2, -1. And again, we notice we have a congruent shape to our original shape. We've just shifted it left 2 and down 1.